Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off high performance mode. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling down to access battery. Now scroll all the way down, choose More Settings, and tap on this switcher next to High Performance Mode. Lastly, in order to activate it, confirm your choice in the pop-up. So when I do that, as you can see, High Performance is now on. But you can always turn it off by clicking on the same No Blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!